Hey everybody, what we got going on today? I'm going to succession sow some sweet corn in between these tatsoi plants while these tatsoi are producing seeds and feeding pollinators. I am going to get my corn going. It's right about the right time in Texas here. It's middle March. That's about the time that you put this in. So let's get after it. This is Solstice F1 Hybrid from Johnny. We're going to do 3 to a hole just to make sure that this stuff takes. Trying to get them about a foot apart. We're not crazy here. I am taking out some of the smaller tatsois. We're going to have more than enough seed. This tool is called a homie. You've seen this in earlier videos. This is a super sweet corn variety. So this is the bed that always produces really well. So I think it's got the right amount of sunlight for everything like this. Makes really tall sunflowers. I'm trying to do minimal disturbance on this bed. I'm not being mousy about it, but just don't want to mess it up too much. Give all the critters a little bit of a head start. Good critters, I should say. Alright, so that's our 3 rows. We'll see where we're at in a few weeks.